Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Adobe account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. And now to log into your Adobe account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the top of the screen you can see there's a search bar. Click over there and type in the address adobe.com and turn enter, and then it will be directed to the home page of Adobe like this. Now in order to log into your Adobe account, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available for us over here. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen and you'll land on this kind of interface. Either you can log in with your direct email address manually, or you can log in with your Google, Facebook or your Apple account. But if you click on view more, there are some more platforms with which you can log into your Adobe account. If you click on either of these buttons, the respective platform to log into your respective accounts which you click from over here will appear, and if you log into your accounts from over here, you're logged into your Adobe with your these accounts. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address with which we have signed up for an Adobe account over here. Click on the continue button over here, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of your account, and by that way you'll be able to log into your Adobe account from over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to log into your Adobe account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.